So let's look at the next question. Cosec theta minus 1, cosec theta plus 1, cosec plus 1, cosec minus 1 is equal to secant theta. Now, the interesting thing is this question and this question, the next question. They are almost the same and they look very dangerous, but they are pretty simple questions. So let's start doing them. So first, we'll start with this. So cosec theta minus 1, cosec theta plus 1, cosec theta plus 1 upon cosec theta minus 1. So first, what I do is just to simplify the matters. See, you can skip this step if you want. So just to simplify the matters, I am breaking the numerator and the denominator into two parts. Once I have done this, I'll take the LCM. LCM is cosec theta plus 1 divided by cosec theta. See, one thing that I am commenting again and again is the trigonometric identities, they are more to do with your basics of algebra, your manipulation in algebra than trigonometry itself, because the identities are only 3 in number. So they are more to do with how good your algebra is. So for students whose algebra is weak, they will find all these manipulations a bit difficult. Cosec theta plus 1, cosec theta plus 1. So I'll have to multiply this by this. When I multiply, this root and root will cancel. I will have cosec theta. Let me use the color. I'll have this one multiplied by this one. I will have cosec theta minus 1, because the root sign will, it's like multiplying root 2 and root 2. So root 2 multiplied by root 2 is 2. So this one is taken care of. Plus, now in the second case, what I'll have to do is, when I take the second term, cosec theta minus 1 root is already there. So cosec theta plus 1 root multiplied by cosec theta plus 1. Again, root multiplied by root would be, the root will vanish. So this would be equal to cosec theta plus 1. Hope this is making sense. Now when we look at the numerator, we see that this minus and minus will get cancelled. The numerator, I'll have 2 cosec theta upon. Now if I look at the denominator, this is a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. This would be under that square root sign. So this would be cosec square theta minus 1. Now I understand that 1 plus cosec square theta is equal to cot square theta. Let me write somewhere here. So I understand 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So cosec square theta minus 1, cosec square theta minus 1 would be equal to cot square theta. So this will be equal to 2 cosec theta on square root of cot square theta. The square root of cot square theta would be equal to 2 cosec theta. This will be equal to cot theta. So this will be 2 upon sin theta multiplied by cot theta would be equal to cos theta by sin theta. And this cancel. So this will be 2 sec theta. So 2 sec theta is my right hand side. So this is how this question is done. This is equal to right hand side. So as told you, see, this question has more to do with how good your algebra is, how good your manipulation of algebra is, rather than the trigonometric identity. Trigonometric identity was only used here, that 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square. The only thing which is. Now let's do the next question. Next question is almost the same like we have done this. Let's start.